Hello, nice people. Miss Nice is back again on your screen, and this time we are going to make a beaded bag handle. Kindly support me by clicking on the subscription button, giving me a thumbs up. You can also click on the notification bell if you want to get all my videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Making a beaded bag handle is no different from making the bag itself, because you use the same method in creating the bag to create the handle as well. So I have my fishing line, then I go ahead to pick my first 4 beads. I thread the 3 and I cross with 1. There are various methods and styles in creating a beaded bag handle. In fact, I have different ways of creating my beaded bag handles, and this is just one of them. I have a tutorial on how to make a beaded bag beginner friendly, and I will be leaving the link in the description box below. So back to the video, I pick my next 3 beads. I thread 1 on each fishing line and I cross both with 1. So this is just what I'll be doing till I get my desired length. So on my last count, I will be threading 2 beads on 1 fishing line, and then I cross on the 3rd bead, because now I would want to step up. So my fishing line has to be on one side, just like you are seeing. So I have crossed, and now I have both fishing lines on one side. Now to step up, I go ahead to pick 3 beads. I will thread 2 on my left fishing line and I cross with 1. So if you're on the same track with me, it should look like this. Now I'll pass the fishing line on my right through to the bead closer to it, the very next bead. After passing the fishing line through to the next bead, I'll go ahead to pick 2 beads. I'll thread 1 on my left, then I cross with 1. And this is what I'll be doing till I get to the end. So with this bag handle, is going to be like a triangular sided. So we have the width in a triangle shape. That is how it's going to look like. So I will not be stepping up again. After I'm done with this, I'll just fold and then I close it up with single beads. So this is what I have now. This is my desired length, and I'm tying my knots so to secure it. Then I'll go ahead to fold it. So I fold it just like you are seeing, and I'll be closing up with single beads through to the end, but I'll be skipping the first row and also end on the last but one row. I have excess thread, so all I have to do is to go ahead and start with my closure. But if in case you ended your thread, your fishing line, all you have to do is to just cut a new length of fishing line and pass through your beads, and then you start with your closure. So just like you are seeing, I go through each bead on the side with the fishing line, and then I pick one bead to cross. After crossing, I pass through the next bead on each side, then I cross. I will do this again and again so you can get it right.
So, this is what I have now. This is my desired length, and I'm tying my knots so to secure it. Then I'll be closing up with single beads through to the end, but I'll be skipping the first row and also end on the last but one row. I have excess thread, so all I have to do is to just cut a new length of fishing line and pass through your beads, and then you start with your closure. So just like you are seeing, I go through each bead on the side with the fishing line, and then I pick one bead to cross. After crossing, I pass through the next bead on each side, then I cross. I will do this again and again so you can get it right.
So this is what I have. The rows that I skipped, that part is where I'll be attaching to the bag. That's why I skipped that side. Now I'll go ahead and attach my handles to my beaded bag. So here is my bag. To learn how to make this bag, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and attach our handle.